Welcome to 803 Kingston Road in Princeton, and you are going to love this house. This house, which was recently completely rebuilt by Pinneo Construction, is the perfect combination for families and people moving into Princeton. It's a 5-bedroom, 4 full bath house, first floor ensuite, and it's got one of the most amazing private backyards you're ever going to see, a cook's kitchen, an amazing, warm, cozy, and wonderful family room that overlooks the backyard. Check it out. I'll see you guys at the open houses.